Yon do to his wife, and he did very, very bad though. For Yon to go give another woman belle, I shocked her lies. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, my correct people, this video today now about Yon. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle. My people, this one shocked me for waiting Yon do so. Yon, hey, my people, no. When I know this girl, this Lollywood actress with the art film, Yon can't go give her belle. Yon not even make people can't even they say they want to go find the rumor. You by yourself post time say his second wife. They born this son for him. The thing shockalize everybody. As soon as shock, na so me I shock. As soon as take shock, na so me I take shock, my people. The thing shockalize me. His wife now they swear for Yon. They say you know expect say Yon go fit do this kind of thing. Say God go judge him with the woman. Yon when me I not just expect at all. I can't do this kind of thing. My people, this one shockalize me. Oh. Hey. They say wahala as I dey talk to Nana Kasala door burst for Yon house. Kasala door burst for him with his wife. As I dey talk to Nana, not be small fight. Hey, Yon, this is the way you do so. You burst everywhere. Hey, what thing you can't dey look for again, Yon? Your wife born boy born girl. What thing you dey look for again? You don't get 3 boys before. Now his second wife don born another son for him now. Hey. I don't say Igbo not they use boy picking the play sha. But this one when you do so he bust everywhere, my people. He bust everywhere. As I dey talk to Nana, you ask though he as in a fire now. Hey, you. Hey, your papa self no even do this kind of thing. Now you can't even do am now. Just go give another woman belle. And that girl, the 2 of them don't ask him together. Well, one beautiful tall girl like that. Now you just give belle so my people. If I told I say this thing not shockalize me, I dey lie to myself. Oh, it shocked me. Hey, yon. Hey, now you big you dey enjoy. You dey enjoy. This one shockalize me. I never see this kind of thing. And I you me never expect say you go even the cheat. The thing can't shock me. Say now you can't even break record. Can't even give. The person who and the art film together said now you can't even go give belle. And I ain't even post time. Now be odogu. I hear you. You break record. As if you don't even fear your wife. You just post time. When I can't see the wife comment now by people now. His wife said God go judge the 2 of them. He said God go judge them for what they do am so. So I put the video make una see. I'm gonna make sure the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Hello everyone. Hello. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Please, if you can hear me, just say hi. Can you hear me? Clearly? Hello, okay. Thank you. Now you can hear me. Yes. Now I know you guys can hear me. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you, princess, thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you. There's actually a lot to talk about today. I think I'm gonna give 10 to 50 minutes of my time. And I'm gonna entertain some questions as well. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. Are you guys there? Okay. Yes. Thank you very much, guys. There's something we need to talk about. And we're gonna start in like in 2 minutes. So please share this so some of our people can really understand and get the facts right. There's some things we really need to talk about right now. Alright? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, please let the viewers keep increasing. It's very, very important. Yeah. Hey, Pete of Lagos, that's funny. Thank you. 1 minute more, we're gonna start, guys. 1 minute more, we're gonna start. Okay? 1 minute, guys. We're gonna start. It's very, very important. Some things we really need to talk about right now. It's very, very important we start talking about it. Yeah. Yes. 1 minute. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. I should have comments. No, I'm not gonna have comments. It's alright. Let people throw out their insolence. Let them speak their minds. It's very important. Because when they don't speak their mind, then it's not a good thing. At least they can pour out their hunger. Okay? Pour out their hunger and their love. It's very, very important. Guys, we're gonna start in 2 minutes, please. There's not much time. So call your people if you need to. Whoever are your favorite people, let them come. So we can start talking about this. Alright? 2 minutes, please. Thank you, guys. Thank you. No phonetics tonight. I can assure you that. No phonetics. It's just gonna be straightforward. Okay? No phonetics tonight. I can assure you that. No phonetic. No phonetic. 1 minute. We're gonna start, please. There's not much time. Good job. 1 minute. Okay. Olami Leko, how are you doing, my brother? God bless you. Thank you. Yeah. Don't insult anyone. Don't worry. Hopefully someday they'll be a very huge fan of mine as well. So yes, guys. We're gonna start right away. My name is Honorable Oyemi David Falego. The reason why I'm here today is to talk about some certain things. Number one, I think I've got like 4 things to talk about today. Number one, I've actually received calls from traditional rulers, from religious leaders, from families, from friends, from everyone. And they've been able to tell me how disappointed they've been in these few days. I just want to apologize to everyone right away. I want to apologize to everyone. I'm really, truly sorry for everything that happened during these last 5 days. You know, I know it's been a very, very